Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to block spam text on a phone. I will show you two different ways in 2024. This method works on iPhone 15. So please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to message. Here we can choose for one message, and here we need to click on this icon and click info, and here we can click block this caller. This is first method. Let's go to second. Go to settings, here scroll down and find messages, and here we need to scroll down and click filter unknown senders, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.